Hello everyone! The chicken is in a hurry and this is what I will bring to the chicken!
Hi guys! When I have no time to marinate the chicken, I follow this simple chicken recipe here. In this recipe, I need 4 baked potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks. The size is perfect for roasting them together with the chicken. The seasonings are only salt, ground black pepper, rosemary leaves, and olive oil. The chicken is also seasoned inside and outside with fine salt and ground black pepper. Then, sprigs of rosemary leaves are inserted in the chicken. After seasoning the chicken and the potatoes, let them rest for about 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, get the roasting pan, place the chicken, the cut potatoes, and add also sprigs of rosemary. Then it's time to cook them. Place the roasting pan in the oven and let them be cooked for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check them, turn them upside down, and then return them. Cook them for another 30 minutes or more. And after that, they're done. Bon appetit!